Are you looking to get a job as a Python web developer? Or are you trying to build Django applications without the right mentor? Introducing All-in-One Django Development Bundle, the ultimate package to become an expert Django developer. In this comprehensive Django project-based course, you will gain access to 5 exciting projects that will sharpen your skills and make you a Django pro. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this course is designed to challenge you and inspire you. My name is Ratan, your instructor for this course. I'm a senior software developer with over 8 years of software development experience. I'm also an online instructor. I teach how to build complex applications with the real-life use cases. So I'm here to transfer my knowledge to you by building something really useful. In next 180 seconds, I will show you what are those 5 Django projects that we are building in this course to make your portfolio super attractive. First thing first, the basics. We'll start off with learning the fundamentals of Django by building a simple employee directory website that fetches the employee details from the database. And then we move forward and build another web application, to-do app. This is where your confidence gets leveled up. It teaches you how to perform CRUD operations. CRUD is exceptionally important to build any softwares. That's not it, we are leveling up our skills now. Next comes is the full-fledged Django blog application with the custom dashboard that can be utilized by the multiple user roles such as editors and the managers, which also includes the advanced features such as block comments. You will also learn to deploy this application on a Python Anywhere server for absolutely free. Now that you have built 3 projects already, you have gained a lot of good stuff about Django. But that's not it yet. 2 more high-level to expert-level projects are waiting for you. The 4th project that we are going to build is the advanced custom Django Ecommerce application with the product variations, unlimited product image gallery, interactive rating and review system, orders, payments and deployment on the Amazon AWS server. This project is going to be a super fantastic project. By the time you finish this project, you are already equipped with the confidence to build any custom web applications. Okay, now get ready for an extraordinary real-world software development experience because this 5th project is going to be an absolute blast, filled with the excitement and innovation. You'll be captivated from start to finish, and I guarantee that you will fall head over heels in love with it. We are building a massive multi-vendor restaurant marketplace platform with the location-based search functionalities such as nearby restaurants and restaurants around a specific radius. Because this project contains complex features, we will use external tools such as Google APIs, GeoDjango, PostGIS, GDAL and so much more. It's an expert-level Django project. Your employer will be super impressed just by looking at your resume. But that's not all. Alongside these projects, you will also receive in-depth tutorials, hands-on exercises, assignments and valuable resources to reinforce your learning. And I know we are building complex projects. And I'm sure even if you're an experienced developer, you will run into various problems and errors. That's when you need me. I'm committed to provide best-in-class support for this course. You are free to ask anything and everything about the course, and you will get the help in no time. Enroll now and join thousands of satisfied students who have transformed their Django development careers with this all-in-one Django development course.